Oh, hi! We're now in
She's our
store.
Apple store manager, all the way from Canada.
Oh my god, I'm not.
You send it.
Yeah, and this is in the.
This is my friend
Yeah,
from Oscar.
from Philippines. Philippines, no?
For Philippines.
Yeah.
This is a Filipino man.
Yeah. This
We work
native-
together in the main Kelly Texas.
Yes,
Now
yes.
we just doing the shopping.
Yeah.
Work together. Now you go back to the ship now.
Yeah,
Go to sleep.
we need to run because
We need
the
to
time,
run.
the time is over.
Yeah, there's no time.
Yeah, no time.
Let's
Yeah,
go. This one is a Vancouver port,
Yeah.
Canada.
Canada.
So now we went back to the ship
Uh-huh.
to prepare ourselves for the dinner
Yeah,
time.
dinner time. Yeah, because
good.
tonight is brata.
Yeah, it's better tonight.
Yeah.
No plata, maybe. Let's hope so. Too much banana, huh?
Paisano will like to inform you that we're running out of time. Yeah?
Yeah.
The time now is 2:15.
2:15.
Yeah, we need to be in the ship
Ship
by 2:30.
2:30, and then
now-
ship starting sailing 4 o'clock, no?
4 o'clock, yeah.
4 o'clock.
Now we are running.
Yeah. But the all fires, everything is good.
Yes.
So
Yeah.
now
Now
we are happy, man.
yeah, we're happy.
Happy
Yeah.
life.
Yeah.
Too
Yeah.
much job sometimes. But
Yeah.
happy life.
We can eat. We can go. We can boom boom.
Yes, boom boom also. Boom boom is so that release the stress.
Yes.
But don't take it serious about boom boom.
Yeah.
Okay.
No, we're here now.
Yeah, okay.
So we need to say goodbye to everyone. Bye to
Good for
everyone.
guys.
Paisano,
We love you.
paisano.
Paisano.
Somi, greetings from Serbia. Paisano! Paisano!
Paisano, I'm now here in Canada, Vancouver downtown. Behind me is our Vancouver cruise line terminal. One down is the waterfront Vancouver train station. I'll show you here. This train station there, right here.
Oh no, but it's like very close. So this was like my industry.
I'm going first to the Pacific. They have the mall here, Pacific Center Mall. I'm going to buy something. I don't know what.
Paisano!
Tapos ka na?
Ha?
Tapos ka na?
Wala, pumila ko dyan.
Sa mall?
Oo, tingin lang.
Hindi ka na pumunta ng Jollibee?
Nakapapila.
That's my colleague. And he told me Jollibee is it's a long line to buy food in Jollibee. So I don't know where to go. Let's see. Right here. Now let's check inside what we can do. This is the nearest mall here. Let's try to go to the Apple store. And buy that.
Paisano! I'm here in Vancouver, Canada. We're here in the Pacific Center of the Apple Store. I'm here with my friends, Gando, Blusho, together with all some boy.
Pumasok ka na?
Oh,
Ano binili niyo? Batika. Anong plano niyo?
iPhone 15 na namin.
Wala pa.
Ay, wala pa ba? I thought already in the store eh.
14 pa lang eh.
I thought already out eh. I'm looking for the iPhone 15. They said it's already out in the store. And I'm
Paisano,
also-
the iPhone 15 is still in the DHL cargo plane. So now we're waiting here.
And I'm also looking for the iPhone Apples but without bite. Because they already bite the apple. So looking for the apple without bite.
Ipasok ko to lahat ha. One minute. Okay, just introduce yourself.
Oh, hi. We're now in
She's our
store.
Apple store manager, all the way from Canada.
Oh my god, I'm not.
This took 1 minute.
As we can see,
That one
it's
is
28 seconds, 29 seconds, okay?
that one is only 3 seconds.
Okay,
Yeah.
yeah. I
So-
understand what you mean.
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll just take a video of 1 minute and see.
If it works.
Yeah, see if it works.
The one that we tried, the first one, that was 12 minutes.
Oh, I see. That's probably why.
And then double check if it's 1 minute already.
About there.
Okay.
5 seconds. Yeah, it's
Okay.
1 minute.
This is what I got from Apple. For 2 hours. I need to go back to the ship. Go back before 2:30. And the time now is 5 to 2. Hurry up, hurry up. I need to walk. Run. Run. Stoplight.
Kaya yabang. Hindi mo nagtitik. Mga titik ko naman. Airport eh, ito pareho. Malapit na sa terminal.
Run. No time. No time. Almost there. Almost. Hey, babe. Say something.
Huh?
Say something. Say something.
Can you take a picture for me? I will take from you.
Yeah.
I'll give you my
Picture.
yeah. Just take picture. I said we'll go together.
This is my friend Tembe.
Hey,
Ship
how are
captain.
I know. I'm just a cook. Let's go.
Ship captain. Here,
I need a
Tembe.
picture. I was looking for my person. I don't know because when I go outside already they left. Now I don't. I left my cell phone in the cabin.
Okay, I'll take you a
I
photo.
want
No
a
worry.
picture. Then I will give you my number and then send via WhatsApp.
Yeah.
I need to take a picture for the last time now. You know?
Yeah. Where you stand?
Yeah.
Where you wanna stand?
Yeah.
Yeah, you stand.
On that side. Where do you want to? You go in a ship?
Yeah. Take a picture. Where?
You want to this one?
Okay.
You will send it.
Yeah, and this is in the.
This is my friend
Yeah.
from which country?
Philippines. Philippines, no?
For Philippines.
Yeah.
This is a Filipino man.
Yeah. This
We work
native-
together in the main Gaily X6.
Yes,
Now
yes.
we just doing the shopping. We work together. Now we go back to the ship now.
Yeah,
Go to sleep.
we need to run because
We need
the
to
time,
run.
the time is over.
Yeah, there's no time.
Yeah, no time. Yeah.
Let's go. This one is a Vancouver port,
Yeah.
Canada. So now we went back to the ship to prepare ourselves for the dinner
Yeah,
time.
dinner time. Yeah. Because
good.
tonight is brata.
Yeah, it's better tonight.
Yeah.
No prata, maybe. Let's hope so. Too much banana, huh? Guys.
Paisano will like to inform you that we're running out of time. Yeah.
Yeah.
The time now is 2:15.
2:15.
Yeah, we need to be in the ship
Ship
by 2:30.
2:30, and then the
now-
ship starting sailing 4 o'clock, no?
4 o'clock. Yeah.
4 o'clock.
Now we're running.
Yeah. But as far as everything is good,
Yes.
so
Yeah.
now we are happy, man.
Yeah, we're happy.
Happy
Yeah.
life.
Yeah.
Yeah. Too
Yeah.
much job sometimes.
Yeah.
Happy life.
We can eat. We can go. We can boom boom.
Yes, boom boom also. Boom boom is so that release the stress.
Yes.
But don't take it serious about boom boom.
Yeah.
Okay.
No, we're here now.
Yeah, okay.
So we need to say goodbye to everyone. Bye
Good
to
for
everyone.
guys.
Paisano,
We love you.
paisano.
Paisano.
Oh, mga hungog! Pakpak, mga hungog! Pakpak! Pakpak, pakpak, pakpak!
Bikini man.